Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one today. Oh, first and foremost, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. It goes a long way. Today we're doing a video on something a little different. It's funny because some, like, the shoe line, they had it for like the clothing, the shoes, then they had like for kids this age and this day, current kids, I don't think would know much about this cartoon. Some do, some may not, but this is my era. This cartoon has been around forever, and they did a collab with Vans, so I decided to get a pair. There's a couple of pair that I liked, but every one that I really had my sights set on, it's like maybe 3 pair. This is one of the 3, but the other 2 I really had my sights set on. I could have went either way. No size 13, of course, as usual. My size is becoming very, very rare now. Like back then, man, I used to just get a 13 with ease. True story, real quick. Concord 11s came out 2001, I think. They came out that Saturday. I walked into a Foot Action that following Thursday and was able to get a 13 with ease, because that's all they had left was like 2 size 13s with no problem. Now, all these little young Bigfoot kids, man, get your kids, man. What are y'all feeding them? Because not everybody wears size 13. I can't get a size 13 barely for nothing to save my life. Luckily, I struck out on the bell. I hit on the Bell F5 yesterday. So, on to the next shoe, and which is this one. Oh, before I show you that one, I got a pickup. I'm not going to do a video on it. You've seen these probably 50 million times. I just wanted to show them to you guys. Finally got them in after the Foot Action restock. So I struck out so many times. They had the Foot Action restock on these, so I was able to get these. Shout out to Foot Action for the restock love. And the shoe that we're reviewing today, though, comes in this small box. The Simpsons. That's how the show start. But yeah, we got this shoe, the Vans collab. As you can see, it has, I like this packaging, man. On the side, it has the lard lad donuts here on this side, and then it has the Simpsons home on this side of the shoe, and then it has Moe's here on the back, which that's what this shoe is. This is the Simpsons Vans old school Moe's. So this is the one with Moe, which was the bar that Homer would go to have a drink after a long day, you know, have his happy hour. So this is the shoe. They actually didn't come laced up. I had to lace them up before I did this video for you guys. But yes, here we are. This pair. That's in the Medal side. I'm sorry. The Medal side has nothing on it but just the regular Vans logo. Now on the outside of the shoe, that's the inside. On the outside, it has Homer and his friend. I can't remember his name to save my life. Please forgive me. But it has his name on this side. I mean, his friend on this side, and then on the other side, it has Moe and the other 2 gentlemen that are frequent to the bar here on this side of the shoe. And then on the back, it says Moe's on both of them. So it has Moe's name on the back of both shoes. These retail at 75 bucks. That was 75 bucks. Has the Vans, and then it has the Simpsons tag on it. 20th Century Fox Matt Groening, which is the I think he's the CEO or executive producer of the Simpsons. Then here on the inside, it also has that Fox Century Fox 20 branding, and then it has the Simpsons here. If you can see that on the insole, it has the Simpsons and the Vans logo. I like this shoe. I like the coloring of this shoe. The yellow, the reds, the greens. I threw a hint of pink in here. Pinkish purple here on the inside, on the Medal side. But the coloring of this shoe is pretty dope. I like it. I'm gonna rock this shoe. Nice cool little summer shoe, even though summer's almost over and I've been at home locked down. But overall, this is a dope shoe. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the feet and see how it looks on feet for anybody that's still interested in buying them, because they have them on Vans, they have them on Tilly's. I think PacSun, Extra Butter even had them. A few stores still got pairs in various sizes. Just depends on where you go, what you can find. But these are a dope shoe. The Simpsons have been around, man, for years. I was a kid, I think, when the Simpsons first came out. They've been around for a substantial amount of time. So that's why when they came out with these and they were like gearing them for kids, like people were like, yeah, this is a kid shoe. I'm like, yeah, but kids don't know about it. Like a lot of kids don't know about the Simpsons. Like I do. Like that was my era. You know, I probably was maybe middle school, high school. I can't remember, but dope shoe. We're gonna take these to the feet. I don't have my knife up here because I want to take this tag off. We'll see what we can do, and let's get it to the feet. All right, guys, before we get to the feet, one more thing I want to share with you guys. I have a new EP. It's called The Dope Demo. 4 songs. I have the link in the description. I sent it off to get on streaming services. We're having an issue with one of the tracks, so we've been kind of going back and forth about it. They've been giving me a hard time, but it should be on there. There's no reason why it should not be. It's their issue, not mine. But anyway, link in the description. 4 songs, The Dope Demo. Check it out if you have time. Feedback is greatly appreciated. Now let's get to the feet.
Let the street say amen. Yeah, hey, blessed and highly favored, moving these haters 50 feet while they plotting and scheming, seeing this money in my reach. I don't bend, I don't break, I ain't fold, I ain't fake. I kept my head up on the swivel, stayed on my grind and kept the faith. Known to make it look easy, why these niggas look stressed. Make a bankroll this evening, but I see you dudes press. Situation ain't improving, so you suckers trying to test. Yeah, it's all fun and games till them goons on the set. Ain't no time for contemplating with a tool to your chest. Better stick to the code, learn the rules I suggest. Instead of tricking to these stats, get some stocks, then invest. Hit Kappa TV, then a watch, make a bet. When you focused on your bread, they gon' see you as a threat. Double down on them now, all they see is an exec. Yeah, I know I'm highly favored and relieved from the stress. Really ain't no other way for me to say that I've been blessed, I've been blessed.
Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah, yeah. Holy Spirit lit, you can feel it too, yeah, yeah. Make some tickets off, doing what I do, yeah, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah, yeah. Glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah, yeah. Bought my mama a house, then got her a coupe, yeah, yeah. Paid off all her debts, now she
the street say amen.
Yeah, glory, hallelujah, glory, hallelujah, yeah.
Sick of this 9 to 5, I need better pay. Big T told us that it gotta be a better way. Before I hit the streets, close my eyes and say a prayer today. No regrets, I wouldn't wanna live it no other way. Praise, grinding through trial and error till I got it right. Even through the dark times, always found my guiding light. No jury on, but they wonder why I'm shining bright. No quitting in it, I'ma get it when the timing right. Amen. Failure ain't an option for a hustler. Your head ain't in the game, hit the bench with all the suckers. You ain't trying to make some bread, I don't know you, I don't trust you. If baby girl loyal, hold her down, better love her. For real, got on my grind and start getting mine. Nip told you it's a marathon, I'm sprinting to the finish line. I'm highly favored and relieved from the stress. Really ain't no other way for me to